She royal though. Oh, go after that black car. That's my car.
Yeah,
That
please
black car's
arrest
my
him.
car. I get that dude to leave the hospital. Now he's draining PD. Go get him.
I did not see you guys in front of me.
Everything is on body cam.
Hey, be serious.
I mean, I
Come
have to be
over there.
honest, you have some
Take it out.
Oh, Stanford. No, they'll vouch for me.
Well, Mr. Mr. in front of me, right? You hit my car and then went ahead to you stopped, and then also went ahead to hit the police vehicle. Everything is caught on body cam. If you want me to send it to you, I can
Bring
send
your
it
ass
right
Hey,
over here.
now.
where's that ice motherfucker at?
Come on, come on, come on. We're gonna get him. We're gonna get him.
Yeah, I was watching what was going on and then started to try to drive to drop me off. I didn't see you guys in front of me.
I'm with myself. Well, I'm